help the current renters who cannot afford a higher rent and have no money for a non-refundable deposit?
You can't. There's nothing you can do for people who don't have the money. Now, if they're destitute or something like that, you can put them with some kind of a government agency that the city can provide to you, but that's really not your job to do. If I were you, I'd stay focused on making money. The more you make, the more you can help other people.
All right. He concluded that statement with, "They are forced to vacate the property and are struggling to relocate. I am in the business to help people, not place them on the street corner."
Okay. I just answered that. You're in the business to make money. Again, if you have a resource that you can refer them to, that is the best you can do, and get out of it.
Kitty Kosmos from Florida said, "Which price should I go by for my comp when I use an analyzer? Estimate value, value range, comp averages, max allowable offer, and average price."
None of the above. When you're doing comps, you have to go where the comps are on Dreams, I hope, and pick the 2 highest comps that are similar in square footage and sold recently and close in distance. And those are the 2 that I would use, unless they got something weird like they're on a golf course or on the water or something. So I don't use any of those estimates and any of that. Would pay you to go on a Gold Club site, because I know I have a lesson on there on how to do these comps. And Dreams is the best system that we have to do those comps with. All right, is that all of them?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll see you guys next week. By that time, I'll be back home. Year's running out. Go make some money.